Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to get logged in to Lexia at home. First, you'll need your child's QR code login and their username and password card that looks like this. There are 3 ways to get logged in to Lexia. The first way is through the Silver Mesa homepage. So if you Google Silver Mesa and get to our website, it's going to look something like this. Up in the top corner in blue, it says Clever. If you click on this, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You are not going to log in with Google, but you'll come over here and click on this blue icon. When you do, it's going to ask you if it can access your computer or iPad camera. If you don't have a camera on your iPad or your computer, you're going to have to use another way to get into Lexia, but most computers and iPads do have a camera. So it'll ask you to access the camera, and it'll ask you to hold up the QR code. So in front of the camera, you'll hold up your student's QR code, which looks like this. Then it can scan you in really quick, and it'll take you to the Clever homepage. The nice thing about the Clever homepage is that you can get into Lexia or some of the other apps that we offer at our school. If you want to go in another way, the second way to get in is through the Lexia Core 5 website on a computer or iPad. So you'll Google Lexia Core 5 student login, and when you get here, it's going to look something like this. It'll ask you if you're a student or educator. You'll click on the student, and it'll ask you to enter your student's username and password. When you do, it sometimes asks you for a teacher email. If it does, if your child is in the red class, you're going to use the email stephanie.gonzalez@csddocs.org. Or if your child is in the blue class, you'll use my email, jessica.orozco@csddocs.org. So that is the second way to get into Lexia Core 5. And the last way is mostly if you want to use an iPad or phone. There's also a Lexia Core 5 app. So if you go to the App Store, it looks something like this. You'll download it for free, and then when you go in, it'll look again very similar to this. You'll enter once again your student's email, username, email, and password, and once again it might ask you for a teacher email. Again, if you are in the red class, you'll use Señorita Gonzalez's, and the blue class, you'll use mine. So those are the 3 ways to get logged into Lexia at home. I hope that helps.